Hey there, I'm Floris from Dutch Realtor Trading, and today I'm sharing no-nonsense tips on how to land your first real estate job in the Netherlands. Let's face it, employers always want people with experience. But how do you gain experience without getting that first opportunity? Yep, that's what we call the classic chicken and egg problem. But don't worry, you're about to learn how to break that cycle. First things first. Great real estate agent is not shy, not passive, and definitely not someone who just waits for opportunities to come to them. So get off your lazy ass, roll up your sleeves and take action. No experience? No problem. Start by investing in knowledge. Learn the essentials. What does a real estate agent actually do in the Netherlands? What's the industry lingo? How do bidding systems work in the Netherlands? What are the key industry associations? And what's involved in selling, buying, renting properties in the Netherlands? Knowledge is power. You can get this, of course, if you book the training of Dutch Realtor Training. It's a complete course that teaches you everything. Now, knowledge is one thing, but how do you actually land the first job? Here's a strategy for you how to do that. The first thing is dress to impress. Put on your best professional outfit and get a polished professional photo taken by you. Clean up your online presence. Google yourself. Make sure your social media reflects a professional image. Remove anything embarrassing, naked pictures, drunk or controversial. Don't do it. Make sure you're clean online. Third thing is build a killer resume. Use platforms like Fiverr to hire someone to check for errors and visually enhance your resume and make it stand out. Add your professional photo from the first step, remember? Add that to your resume. Write a standout cover letter. Craft a letter that highlights your motivation, your enthusiasm, and your professionalism. Here's the game changer. Offer to work, I'm not kidding, offer to work for free for a few months to gain experience and to prove yourself to that employer. This shows that you're really dedicated and you're willing to invest in your future at that firm. Pick up the phone before sending out the application. Call that office and try to speak directly to the boss, him or herself, if possible. This shows initiative and makes you memorable. Trust me, I've seen tons of applicants over the years at my firm. And the ones that stood out and got hired followed these exact steps. They picked up the phone, sent in sharp resumes and cover letters, looked professional, came in across as proactive and driven. That's what makes the difference. Roll up your sleeves, bring your A game and go for it. Invest in yourself, seize that first opportunity and show them what you've got. Go get them.